Hello! In this video I want to show you how plastic and metal parts may be repaired so they last stable and durable. Cyanacrylate or superglue alone may join broken parts only insufficiently. If the parts will be stressed, often the bonding breaks at the same point again. Two coins that are glued together on the outer side demonstrate this well. Little pressure is enough to rupture the bonding. This happens the same way with most other bonding points that have only a very small bonding surface. Okay, that's what you expected anyway, right? So, what to do? The trick is to increase the bonding area by scattering glass sand alternately with glue onto it. In our coin example, it looks like that in the end. Both coins cannot be broken apart by hand that easy anymore, although they are glued edge to edge. So let me try to break it. And you see, I need quite some force to get it ripped apart. And that's how it works. Superglue, glass sand and activator is what you need in order to start. By alternately scattering glass sand and adding some superglue, you may create layer-wise a reinforcement bulge. With case parts, this usually does not disturb on the inner side. By the way, low viscous cyanacrylate glue is better for this technique than the jelly-like glue, because it sucks more easily into the gaps in between the glass particles. Glass sand has the advantage that it's alkaline and therefore the superglue hardens quite fast. In principle, you may add as many glass layers as you like to build, for example, reinforcement ribs or bridges. In addition, you may fill layer-wise holes or cracks this way. Excessive material may be cut off using a scalpel. Also, post-processing by filing or sanding works fine. The glass sand scattering technique is also working well to repair broken porcelain or ceramics. Unfortunately, not all plastic material can be easily glued. Especially with polyethylene, polypropylene and Teflon, superglue needs a primer. In an example where the handle of a hot air fryer had a deep crack, I want to show you the principle. After removing the cover, the damage is easily visible. First, make sure the gluing area is free of dirt, dust and grease. Then apply a little superglue onto the area to repair. Now scatter glass sand onto the glue. Excessing powder can be shaken off. After curing, you may apply a new layer of glue, followed by glass sand again. Repeat this until the desired layer thickness is reached. Spraying a little activator onto the area will reduce curing time. Is all applied and cured, the parts are often more stable than the original. So, do not throw things right away. Many things may be repaired.